Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter probability and statistics. The lessons we're going to cover today are make predictions, understanding probability, find the probability, mean, median, mode, and range, and then combinations. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is make predictions. So here I'm on grade 4 maths. The chapter name is probability and statistics, and I'm going to start with the first lesson, that is make predictions. So let's just start with the lesson. Hi everyone. Okay, let's just start with the first question. Let me read the question. Just listen to me carefully. If you if you flip a coin 2 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on heads? So we're going to flip a coin. So we have two possibilities. Either it will land on head or either tail. Got it? So that means the total outcomes for the coins are two. We have two outcomes. Got it? And probability of getting what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on heads. So the probability for head is 1 out of 2. Got it? Because the total outcomes are 2, and out of 2 uh, you have just one possibility to get head, but you flipped a coins 2 times. Wait, the probability of getting head is 1 over 2. Got it? But you flipped a coin 2 times. Got it? So it would be 2 times 1 over 2. So 2 and 2 cancel out each other, you are left with 1. So that means the best prediction possible is 1 out of 2 times. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself. They are already solved. Got it? Okay, the first one is if you flip a coin 2 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on heads? So first of all, we're going to calculate the probability of head. Got it? And that's the one we just did on the tutorial. Which one comes first? What do you mean? Can you please repeat your question? When you flip a coin, you have just two possibilities. Either it will land on head or either tail. Got it? Just two outcomes we have. So 1 by 2, you have the probability of head is 1 over 2 and probability of tail is 1 over 2, because you have our total outcomes and are 2, and out of the two, one is head and one is tail. So probability of getting head is 1 over 2 and probability of tail is also 1 over 2. Got it? But the question is you flipped a coin 2 times. If you flip a coin 2 times, so you flipped the coin 2 times, so you have to multiply the probability of head by 2. 2 times 1 over 2, and that will be 1. Got it? That means the best prediction is you get, when you flip a coin 2 times, 1 times you will get the head. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is if you flip a coin 10 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on heads? Now you flip the coin 10 times. We know that the probability of getting head is, when you flip a coin 1 time, the probability of getting head is 1 over 2. But when you flip a coin 10 times, the probability of getting head is 10 times 1 over 2. Got it? 10 times 1 is 10 and 10 divided by 2 is 2 times what number is 10? 2 times 5 is 10. So that means the probability of getting head when you flip a coin 10 times is 5. Got it? Yes, it is 5. We are working on grade 4 maths. The chapter is probability and statistics, and the lesson we are working on is make predictions. Okay, the next one is if you spin a spinner 6 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on blue? So, the total colors on the spinner are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total are 6. Got it? And the probability of blue is, let's just calculate what is the probability of blue? What is the probability of getting blue? The total outcomes are 6, and out of the 6, just 1 is blue. So the probability of blue is 1 over 6. And you flipped a coin 6 times. So it would be 6 times 1 over 6. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 over 6 is 1. That means if you flipped a coin 6 times, the probability of getting landing on the blue is 1. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is if you flip a coin 4 times, what is the probability of getting? What is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on heads? So, in case of coin, the probability of getting head and probability of tail is 1 over 2. Probability of head is 1 over 2. But you flipped a coin 4 times, I think. Yes, so it would be 1 over 2 times 4. Got it? So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. So probability of getting 2 is 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Can you please focus on the lesson we're working on? You select a marble without looking and then put it back. If you do this 4 times, what is the probability possible of the number of times you will pick a yellow marble? So, what is the probability of getting marble? What is the probability of yellow? No, not flipped on 4 times. What is the probability of yellow if you picked a marble for the first time? It would be 1 over 4. Got it? Because the total marbles are 4. Out of 4, 1 is yellow. Now you flip, you have to calculate the probability for 4 times. So it would be then 4 times 1 is 4. You are left with 1. Got it? You guys are just guessing the answers. You are not understanding what I am explaining. When I'm asking what is the probability, no one is answering. This isn't good for you. I already know the answers for everything, but that's you guys have to learn. If you spin the spinner 9 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on yellow? So, which is the correct option? Zero, because you don't have yellow color here. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is understanding probability. Let's just start with the understanding probability. Okay. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? Which color is less on the spinner? Blue or yellow? The blue color is less on the spinner. That means the spinner is less likely to land on blue. Got it? Because the more the yellow color is more. So mostly it will land on yellow. Got it? Okay, the next one is on which color the spinner less likely to land? The green or the pink? On pink. Got it? Because the pink one is the small portion of the spinner is pink. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, on which color is the spinner less likely to land? Pink or yellow? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is pink because the pink color is less on the spinner, so it will less likely to land on pink. On which color the spinner more likely to land, green or pink? Spinner is most likely to land on more likely to land on green. Got it? Because green color is more than the pink color, so the correct option is green. Got it? On which color the spinner more likely to land? Pink. Got it? So the correct option is pink. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? Yellow. Got it? Because yellow color is less in the spinner. On which color is the spinner less likely to land, green or yellow? Yellow. Got it? Because it has the yellow, less yellow portion. Got it? Okay, how likely is the spinner will land on yellow space? Unlikely or certain? You have less yellow space than green. Got it? That means it is unlikely. Certain means the one that are more space. Got it? How likely is the spinner will land on blue? Certain or probable? Certain. Got it? Because all of the spinner is blue, so it will land on blue. Certainly, it will land on blue. Got it? Okay, how on which color the spinner less likely to land? Green or blue? Yes, certain means obviously it will land. Got it? Blue is less likely. On which color is the spinner less likely to land? That would be Yellow, got it. On which color this is the spinner less likely to land? Yes, pink it is. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. This is very easy. Let's just move on to the next one. The next one is find the probability. Okay, if you flip a coin, what is the probability that it will land on heads? So, whenever you flip the coin, you have just two outcomes. Either it will land on head or it will land on two. So, getting head is the probability of getting favorable outcome head is 1. Got it? And that means the probability of head is 1 over 2. Got it? Okay. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling an odd number? So the total on die we have total six numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And out of the six, just three of them are odd. They are 1, 3, and 5. So getting odd is the probability of getting odd is 3 over 6. Got it? They are the total three outcomes out of 6. So 3 over 6 equals 1 over 2. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 1? So which is the correct option? 1 by 6, 3 by 2. Yes, 1 over 6, got it, because the total outcomes are 6 and out of the, no, it is 1 over 6. The total outcomes are 6 and out of the total outcome, the favorable outcome 1 is just 1. It is 1 over 6. Got it? Not 3 over 2, 1 over 6 it is. If you flip a coin, what is the probability that it will land on heads? So which is the correct option? Yes, 1 over 2. The probability of getting head is 1 over 2 because the you have the two total outcomes. Just in case of coin, you have just two outcomes. Either it will land on head or tail. Got it? So the probability of getting head is 1 over 2 and the probability of getting tail is also 1 over 2. Got it? Yes, either it is head, either tail. You don't have any other option. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 5? Think and then answer. Is it 1 over 6, 5 over 6? Yes, the probability of getting rolling a 5 is 1 over 6 because you have 5 in data just once. So it would be 1 over 6. Got it? The total outcomes are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you have 5 is only once. So it would be 1 over 6. Very good. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 3? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is 1 over 6. Very good. Okay, the next one is if you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 6? Yes, it is 1 over 6. If you flip a coin, what is the probability that it will lands on tail? Yes, it is 1 over 2. Got it. Okay, if you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling a 2? Yes, it is 1 over 6. If you roll a six-sided die, what is the probability of rolling an odd number? Which is the correct option? One over two it is. Got it? Because just look at the numbers on a die. You have six numbers. They are they are one, two, three, four, five, six, and three numbers one, three, and five are odd. Got it? So the probability of odd is 3 over 6, and when you convert 3 over 6, it would be 1 over 2. Got it? It is 1 over 2. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is mean, median, mode, and range. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the first one is what is the range of the data? So the range of the calculating the range of the data is very easy. You have to calculate the greatest number in the data. So the greatest number in the data is the greatest number in the data is 2. Then you have to calculate the least number in the data. So the least number in the data is the greatest one is 8, the least one is 2. Just subtract the least number out of the greatest one. So 8 minus 2 is 6. That means the range of the data is 6. Got it? Then you have to calculate the mean. The mean of the data is you have to sum up all the numbers and divide them by the that they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in number. So just add them all and divide by 7. Here you have 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 8 plus 0 plus 6 plus 10, that is 49, divided by the 7. So the mean of the data is 7. Got it? Then you have the mod. The mod is the number that occurs most in the data, like 0, 3, 0, 10, 10, 0. Here you have 3 just once. Here you have 10 twice, and you have 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 0 is the number that appears the most in the data. Got it? That means the mod is 0. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good. You have to sum up all the numbers and divide by the number of values. Very good. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, you have to calculate the range of the data. So you have to calculate the greatest number in the data. The greatest number in the data is 2. Then you have to calculate the least one. So that you can calculate the range by subtracting the greatest number, subtract the least one. 2 minus 0, that would be 2. That means that the range of the data is 2. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is what is the median of the data. So for the median of the data, you have to arrange data from least to greatest. Let's just arrange all the numbers. It would be 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 6, 8. Now you have to look for a number that can divide the data into two equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. When you round off 3.5, it would be 4. That means the fourth number in the data is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the median of the data because it divides the data into two equal parts. Look at the data. Here you have three numbers and here you have three numbers. Got it? That means the middle one is the median. Got it? Just divide the number of values by 2. Like 7 by 2 is 3.5. Round off 3.5, it would be rounded off to 4. That means the fourth number in the data is the median of the data. Got it? But first you have to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Got it? Got it, everyone? So it is 4. The median is 3. Okay, the next one is what is the mean? So for the mean, what you have to do? You have to add up all the numbers. 8, 7, 10, 8. 8, 7, 10, 8, 0, 6, 10. Just add them all. I think that's the one we did on tutorial. 15, 25, 33, and 6, 39. Yes, it is 49. You have to divide the sum by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 by the number of data values. It is 7. So it would be 7. That means the mean of the data is 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is again you have to calculate the median. Arrange them from least to greatest. It would be 0, 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over 2 is 3.5. That means the fourth number is the median of the data. That would be the that divides the data into two equal parts. On the both sides of the median, you have three numbers. So that is the median. So the median of the data is 6. Okay, again, you have to calculate the mod of the value. So the mod is the value that mod is the number that appears the most in the data. So which is the mod, 0 or 4? 0 is the mod. Got it? What is the mean? For the mean, you have to add them all and divide them by the number of values. 10, 15, and 6, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24, the sum of all the numbers is 24. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Got it? Okay, what is the range of the data? So what is the range? The maximum, the greatest number is 8. The least one is 2. So 8 minus 2 is, so 8 minus 2 is 6. Got it? The range of the data is 6. Okay, what is the mod value? Which number appears the most in the data? The mod value is 6, because here you have 6 appears 4 times in the data, so 6 is the mod of the data. Got it? What is the mean of the data? You have to add them. 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. The mean of the data is 4. What is the median? So for the median, you have to arrange them from least to greatest. The mean is 8. 6 is the mean. Got it? 6 is the number that can divide the data into two equal groups, so it would be 6. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is combination. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let me just read the first question. Kimberly is picking her activities from this year. She wants to play one sports and join one club. The sports she can play are field hockey, lacrosse, and golf. The clubs she is considering are the drama club, the journalism club, and the art club. How many different combinations of activities can Kimberly pick? So three three sports she are going to select. They are hockey, lacrosse, and golf. And three types of clubs she want to join. They are drama club, journalism, and art. So the total possibilities are 3 times 3 is 9. You just have to calculate the total combination. So you need to do 3 times 3. That means she has total 9 combinations. Got it? So start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial and by yourself. Okay. Edward is ordering a salad for lunch. He chooses one of the beans or turkey to have on the salad. He can also pick one vegetable topping. The vegetable toppings are sprouts and pepper. The dressing choices are blue cheese or mustard, honey mustard. How many different combinations can Edward create? He can choose one of the beans or turkey to have been on salad. So, how many total options? Two for the salads, two for the honey cheese or must dressing, two for the dressing, and two for the vegetables. So you have to calculate the total combination. So you need to do 2 times 2 times 2. Got it? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. That means the total outcomes are 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So the correct option is 8. Okay, given wants to buy a new pair of skates, she can buy speed skates or roller skates. So she has two options to buy the skate. They are either speed skates or roller skates. A pair of skates can move in gold or blue. So how many combinations can given choose from? Like the total are two for the like speed skates or and roller and two for the colors. So the total up combinations he have is 2 times 2 is 4. Like speed skates in gold or either speed skates in blue. Then he can select roller skates in gold and roller skates in blue. So these are the four combinations he have. Got it? They are actually the combinations. So the correct option is 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, Kimberly is picking her activities from this year. She wants to play one sport and join one club. The sports she can play are field hockey, lacrosse, and golf. So she has three choices for the games, and she is considering a drama club, a journalism club, and art club. So three combinations for this one. So you need to do 3 times 3, that would be 9. Got it? So the total combinations are 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is Angie is picking out her clothes for school. She can wear a t-shirt, sweater, or sweatshirt as a top. So she has three choices for the top. Got it? They are t-shirts, sweaters, and for pants she has shorts, Kadurzi and jeans, three options for this. She can wear tennis shoes or high top sneakers and two for this. Assuming all the clothes go together, how many combinations you need to do? 3 times 3 times 2. Got it? 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 2 is. Yes, the correct option is 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. So the correct option is 18. Got it, everyone? Okay, the next one is Pablo is ordering breakfast in a restaurant. She have fried, poached, and over easy eggs. Three options for the eggs. On the side, he can choose toast, a bagel, or a muffin. Three options for this. He can get to choose one type of fruit. The fruits available are strawberry, blackberries, and watermelon. Three types of fruit. How many total combinations? It would be 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. Got it? So the correct option is 27. Got it, everyone? Okay, Bob is planning the menu for a dinner party. He want to serve one main dish and one salad. For the main dish, he can have chicken or pasta. Two possibilities here. For the salad, Bob knows how to make macaroni salad, fruit salad, or potato salad. Three for salad. So you need to calculate the total combinations. So 2 times 3 is 6. Got it? That means the total combinations are 6. Got it? Okay, Shing is buying a new car. He can get a van or hatchback. So two options are here. The outside paint can be it comes in green and red and white, two colors. So the total combinations are 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 4 maths. Chapter we're working on is probability and statistics. And the lessons we have covered today are make predictions, understanding probability, find the probability, mean, median, mode, and range, and combinations. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. You guys are doing amazing. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.